Hi folks, this is Spencer, and I'm here today. I am going to talk about this risk profile. All right, your risk profile is a picture of all the positions you have on. One or all of. This particular position is one of my favorites. If you notice, it has about $186 in potential loss, but the upside is just alright. Is pretty phenomenal. This is, if you notice, see this highlighted area right here, from here to here? Alright, this is a 68% probability range, and this is by 1220. Alright, we can increase this range. Alright, but I like to keep it kind of 68% because that way I got a good 50%, close to 50% of hitting it either way. Alright, there's little hashtags. This is my furthest month out, which is April, and that's my break-even point on that right there, on the red line, right there. And this is my break-even points right here and here on 2/20, February 20. Alright. I can come up here, and this has a 68% probability of being in the money. Alright. I can do my 68% probability of being out of the money, and you can see how it come over on the other side there. And right here I can do probability of touching. It has a possibility of touching either one of these sides way over here. If you notice right there is 970 bucks on the bottom and 1,040 on the top. So let's do probability in the money, and $400 right there, and roughly $400 right there. So if I get above $200, it might be good idea to go ahead and take profit. Alright, here's where the stock's at right now, exactly in the middle. If it moves up, I make money. If it moves down, I make money. If it's in the middle, I'll either roll it over to another month, or I'll fix it. I'll make money. But and I love this particular strategy because this is I call it the Flying Dutchman. I can't find a good name for it. It's a little bit complex, but it pretty much only makes money. Now, if I were going to do say a straddle, I would be looking more at the red line over here. And notice that's both of them are a $333 loss. 340, like 44. I missed 44. Yeah, 3 on the top, and at the bottom, $3,700. So you see why I don't like this trade. Plus, when you do a straddle, you're pretty much only going to move from about here to about here, and you're still losing money at both of those places. let's see. Let me try something here. That right there is I just buying a put. And that right there is buying a call. But you see, I still have $1,700 down there in potential risk. I don't like that. So what I do is this right here, and my potential risk is only $527, even $700 the worst case. But my white line, which is my time decay line, if you notice, I'm on, this is my front month. Alright, so $193 is better than $3,000 or $300, and I got a higher potential of making money on this trade. This is why I like this trade. I can come up here, and by the way, I use Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade Company. I hit probability of analysis, and if I want to see a different chart, I can actually attach this chart to my other chart, and when my trend lines, oh, it makes it just look, it hits it real well. Alright, I'm coming over here at February, and right about there is about 50%. I'm gonna be right in this range. Alright, I have 68% of being right there or right there, and this will do the same thing. Probability of touching, probability out of the money, and probability in the money. Alright, I'll go back to this chart right here. Alright, this pretty much concludes on how to, oh, no wait, I forgot to list some very important parts. This right here is this line right here is my break-even line. Anything above that, I'm making money. Anything below it, I'm losing money. Alright, here's my stock price. There's my stock price right there. Alright, and you know, like the S&P, you can see how this is. I've got off dead center a little bit because the markets are actually live. So you can see I'm just about to start making money here. Yeah. So alright folks, this pretty much concludes the making money portion. I mean a risk profile explanation, and I mean it's pretty simple, straightforward. Alright, and you guys have a good day, and we'll catch you next time.